guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a little surprise boo mail. This is from Jennifer. She actually entered my scrapbook layout challenge, and her challenge never got to me, and she knows why now because it got returned to her all mangled and it said return to sender. So she made something Halloween because she knows I love Halloween, and I was not expecting this, so this was by surprise. And look how awesome this box is, and it is like heavy duty, sturdy. Look at this. What did you use on the front of this? Oh my gosh, let me know please, because this is just so awesome looking. And then she even backed these tombstones in like a glitter. Oh, cool. Enter if you dare. She's got the little like grass. Ooh, the crow. She added like, what's that clear stuff? I'm forgetting. I'm just like in awe with this box. Cute little haunted house. She even added a knob to the door. Oh my gosh, girl, I love this. I just opened it for the cart and it's magnetized. So here's the inside. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. You guys, I could not find these at my Target dollar spot. I'm so excited. I don't even know if I mentioned that in one of my videos, but I have been on the hunt for these and she sent some to me. Ooh, I'm so excited. Thank you. Just that, I'm excited. Oh, how cute. She's layered this up. And what is this green, like faux, I don't know what this is, but it's awesome. Let me know what that is. So cute. Witching hour, little pumpkin. Oh, awesome little treasures in here. Look at these like jump ring beads. Oh, and these like spacer glitter beads. And then there's like silver and black version. Sorry, my hands are too big. She's got some wire wrapped beads, but she added a little lobster clasp. And look at this. Where did you get this spider web? It's got bling on it. Oh, and look at these cute little green witch hats. And all these little like they almost look like little donuts. I don't have anything like that. Little beads. Oh, and these are cool too. These are like fancy, almost like fancy jump rings. Or shoot, they could be a pinky rings. What are these called? Like mid-band rings. Oh, that's cute. Oh, someone just did a challenge and used these beads, and they were so awesome. I think it was Tiffany. Cute little pumpkin beads. Oh, awesome. Thank you for sharing. And then over here, oh my gosh, she did all the wire wrap. Look at the swirl. She made it a pumpkin. How cute. And she just added a little Hishi bead on like an orange bead. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, here's another little like pumpkin looking one. Oh wow, look at this fancy one. Girl, look at these spacer beads. This is so cool. And it just dangles too. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And we have this one right here, a little black one with all the spacers. Ooh, these are gorgeous, girly. Ooh, and look at this little green one. Look at his eyes. Cute wire wrap beads. And then this one says Eek. So fun. Ooh, look at this one. It says Eek. You shared all the goods. Thank you. And then we got a little key, cameo, another little cameo in like green. So cool. Ooh, I could use this. I'm working on a mini album. I could totally use that for that. Ooh, thank you. So cute. I'm obsessed. And this little baggie, she added her like wire wrapped little bead at the top. Oh my gosh, little goodies. And even added a, so she added a brad and then a dangle like to like a flat project. That's a great idea. This little acetate box, she has like a little belly band. She used that Graphic 45, that new Halloween collection. One of these might be. I think these are the Target dollar spot chipboard, not Target dollar spot, but the chipboard pieces this year, which I did not grab because I haven't seen them, but now I don't need to. Oh, how cute. Look how many fun characters. Lots of little ghosties, cats, pumpkins, and all the colors. Ooh, look at this little silver cat. Lightning Bolt, Frankenstein and his wife, Boo and Eeks. Ooh, thank you for sharing. Look at, you hooked me up. And then look at, oh my gosh, she did the oh, And she turned it into a bag topper. That's a great idea. She used the Michaels bat dye. I think this is from a couple years ago, which I never grabbed either because it was always sold out. So she made gorgeous little glittery bag toppers. Thank you. And look how cool. We die cut these. Oh, cool. What die is this? Awesome. I love the way that it's like layered up right there. Ooh, and you used all the pretty color combos on this. Ooh, vellum on this one. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Happy Halloween. This just keeps going. She made like a little cake of ribbon. Oh, and she used like cardstock in between to make like a little circle. It's like an orange velour, black, ooh, a silvery rope, and this like yarn style one. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? So, so cute. Little cake. Yay, trick or treat. I have not been to Joann's since Halloween came out. I ordered Halloween papers online, but I haven't been to Joann's to see the Halloween. So super exciting. I do not have this. It's got pumpkins and like a bright green on there. I love the little label. I'm assuming this is from Joann's. I don't see any label, but like they're known for bottles that shape. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, what is this? Look how awesome. Here's that trim that she gifted me. It's right here. She had a little bat to it. Look at this pumpkin and that tiny little wire wrap bead, all these fun trims, and look at the side. Oh my gosh, so cool. It's like a little book, I think, or box, but look at the front. She's that graphic 45, and look at the shaker in here. It's just fabulous. I think she might have used a like star acetate on top of it, on top of the sequins in there. Trick or treat. This is all puffed up. Love the little trims. Oh, let's open this box. Ooh, fun lace. Oh my gosh. Look at this, magic spells, and look at the little potion in here. Oh, are those what those rubber bands are for? I was gifted some like this, and I never knew what to do with them. Stephanie, Sweet Crafty Girl, gifted me these little band things. That's good to know. And then you add the little wire wrap beads. So cool. Ooh, look at these gorgeous sprigs in like black and purples. Could you just use these on like embellishments and stuff? Oh my gosh, she made little sequin mixes. Look how cute. I love the lime green, the black, and the little like swirl candies in there. Ooh, so fun. And look at this one. Oh my gosh, where'd you get those tiny little ghosty sequins? They're so tiny in comparison to like the regular ghosts that I have. Purple stars, orange stars, the yellow. Very fun. Oh yes, look at, so just like she did on the bottle, she printed out or like print and cut some of them for me in the black. Oh, I love it. You just add that to like a sequin mix too. This cute little box, like a little box of tricks. Ooh, look at this charm. Ooh, this is fancy. Ooh, you don't want to see me in that mirror. Be looking like Wicked Witch of the West right now. Okay, I'll stop staring, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at these flowers. Halloween flowers. I love Halloween colored flowers. She stickled this one up. Look how gorgeous this box is. And look at these dainty. You added like glitterific to the leaves. Oh, how awesome is that? These are, ooh, I feel like I'm gonna break these. I'm gonna put those down. Oh my gosh, she has the box just filled with tiny little flowers. Look at these little orange ones, the big black ones. Oh, girl. Look at this little flower box. This is so cute. Glitterific ones. Thank you so much. Keeps going. This is a full-blown package. I love the look of this. Black cats, and she did like a little lace, like a sampler. Cute. Look at this gorgeous trims. Look at this black trim, and then she did like a purple lace, and then this one's like a gray lace. Gorgeous. And this goes like so perfect with this paper collection. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, and then, ooh, yes, look how cute. Little, I've never seen the pink hands. They're actually like little hair clips, and you can use these on all like your Happy Mail. And then she made like the custom tag to go with it. So cute. Thank you. She made everything match. So cute. Little flowers up here, little cluster. So she's, oh, look at these flowers. It's like a flowered rosette. So gorgeous. Look at this vellum one. It's got like little hole detail on the edge. Gorgeous. Oh, and then look at this one. Wow, look at the intricate. She's layered this up 4 times. Wow. And the center is like a little shaker. So cute. And she used this all with like cardstock, no foam. Gorgeous, gorgeous, girl. I could totally just embellish those. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I see this and I actually am working on some of that. Okay, let me open this one. I love the cheetah print. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Look at this. Eye of Newt. And it's the Dollar Tree, which I don't have these because I didn't even see them. I didn't even know they had these. Look at those creepy little eyeballs in there. They're like little like flat back cabochon blue eyeballs. So cool in the neon green shred. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So exciting. This is seriously like Christmas. My husband doesn't understand Happy Meal. I'm like, it's like Christmas. What are you talking about? Oh, look how cool. She added like hot glue strand and just did a sequin trail. Glued on the little sequins. Oh, look at Zero on here on this little rosette. She's got the trim. Oh my gosh. Daiso goodies. Mine definitely store was lagging. Look how cute. And they haven't had... It's got to be from this year because they'd never had Jack Skellington there. Cute. Oh my gosh, look at these baggies. Oh, I love it. Jack and Sally on here. I love the drip at the top. And then some fun. These are like puffy stickers. Oh, so cute. Zero. He's my favorite. Oh my gosh. Little Hellion trick-or-treaters. Oh my gosh, Jennifer. I love it. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, I can't even see what's, I'm just reaching in the box. Bag of tricks. How cute. These little bat, let's see, the little bat wood clips, and you could just paint these and alter these. And then we have the pumpkin version, little 4-pack. Oh my gosh, girl, you hooked me up. I have not seen these. Cheetah print pumpkins. How cute is that? If I had a big enough house that had a basement or a backyard that had storage and I could put sheds, I would do different themes for Halloween every year. I'd have a leopard Christmas and Halloween one year and then alternate it, but I don't have storage for all that. Oh, so awesome. Cute, cute, cute. And then the magical rub-on stickers that I absolutely love. And this is my favorite sheet of the bunch. So, so exciting. I absolutely love these and I will be using these because if you guys have not used these blend in with the paper so seamlessly. It's awesome. Thank you, Jennifer. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this whole box of tricks? So, so awesome. So, so generous. So, so unexpected. Like when you said scrapbook layout swap, I was like, what? Oh my gosh. So awesome. Thank you, girlie. She says she doesn't do YouTube and stuff like that. So I wish she did because you're talented, girly. All right, I will pack this back up and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.